everyone, this is Anthony with the Performers Among Us, and today we're doing another video tutorial over carves. Carves are another fundamental skill that really help you understand the planes your flag will go through while spinning. And that's the plan for today. So let's go ahead and get right into the lesson. Alright, for right carves, we will go ahead and begin in a right slam. In a right slam, our flag silk is down, our right hand's at the tab, and our left hand's at the bottom crutch tip. From right slam, we will count off 5, 6, once again squeezing on count 7, and moving on count 8 to count 8 and, where we will have the flag parallel with the ground and with the top crutch tip pointing towards the front right 45. From here we move to count 1. At count 1, our flag is in front of us, our left hand is at our belly button, our right hand is right above our forehead, fully extended. Next we will go to count 1 and. At one end, we will have the flag at a 45-degree angle from the center line of our body, with our left hand pushing outside of our torso and our right hand pushing outside of our left shoulder, with the flag in our toaster. We will then go to count 2. At count 2, our left hand is extended straight out from our shoulder, and our right hand is pushing the flag straight up. Next is count 2 and. At count 2 and, the flag is parallel with the ground and directly in front of our face. Then at count 3, our right hand will be directly out from our shoulder and our left hand will be above our forehead. At count 3 and, we have another cross body angle, this time with our right hand by our left hip and our left hand outside of our right shoulder. And then finally we have count 4. At count 4, we return to the original right slam position. And for the left-sided carves, it's the exact same thing, just on the other side. Your left hand will be at the tab, your right hand will be at the bottom crutch tip, and you'll be in a left slam. And those are your carves. We'd recommend first going through this exercise slowly, making sure you're hitting all these checkpoints, and then slowly increasing the tempo at which you're spinning until you're able to do the carves smoothly and maintain the correct planes. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, leave a like on the video. And if you're interested in seeing more tutorials later this week, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss them. And if this video helped you with a skill you were struggling with, post a video of you doing this skill to any of your social media with the hashtag tpau for a chance to be featured. And y'all have a great day and keep on performing.